never heard that before.
Yes.
Wow.
Yo, was LeBron's antics annoying to you?
Nah, I coach middle school and I coach grade school, and parents are the worst. Sometimes, they're a little overbearing on the sidelines and tend to coach from the sidelines, but I don't feel that that's what he actually did. I think maybe he donated some money to the team and he felt a little bit privileged, to walk around on the actual court during warm-ups or practice, but he's just there, he's a parent, he's having fun, and he's in the actual games, he's an NBA player, so I mean he definitely has.
Why we stopped? Unreal. Unreal.
What is that about?
Fucking idiot. Driving Toyota, that's what it was about.
Stopped at a yellow
They
light.
stopped because they saw this person was stopped. When that person stopped because they were trying to make a left turn. Instead of looking at the light, which is what actually indicates whether you can go or not.